It is currently about, 5:15 a.m. and we're just about to hit Dallas, or we're about to hit Austin. On the way to Austin, I should say. I am filming this on 4th of July weekend. So hey, happy 4th to all of y'all watching. Hope y'all had a good one, man. I really do. I'm in my is250, my 09 Lexus is250 base model trim, if you will. And yeah, dude, just gonna do a little POV drive, do a little highway drive. So yeah, I hope y'all are having a good day, good night, good morning, whatever the fuck, you know what I'm saying? Hope y'all doing good. Let's see. Shit's looking good, dude. We're on the highway, listening to some Hank. I kind of saw the skyline and the view, and I was like, oh shit, dude, I gotta start filming again. Because I just finished recording another video. I might put these two together. I probably won't, but yeah, man. So yeah, still got the lights on my dash. Still got the fucking oil maintenance required. Dude, I got a funny ass comment about that on my last one, dude. He was all like, when are you gonna get your oil changed? I probably never will, dude. Imagine. But yeah, no, like the thing with the is250s is you kind of have to be right under schedule. You know what I mean? You always got to get your oil changes early. Like whatever the recommended thing is, you got to change it maybe like, holy shit, that is so loud, dude. But no, you kind of have to change your oil like, 1,000 miles in advance or so, just because like the carbon buildup on these fuckers, dude, is god awful, dude. And all of these is250s, if you want to get like a second gen is, if you're in the market for one, and if you have the money, I'd highly recommend getting the is350. I love my 250 to death. Do not get me wrong, dude. I have nothing against this car, but the only reason I say to get an F is like, not an F, to get a 350 is just because like all of the carbon buildup problems that you'll have with the 250 will just go away. Like the carbon buildup isn't like, it's not what it is on the fucking, you already know, dude. You already know what I'm trying to fucking say, dude. But the one thing I will give the is250, the one thing that the is250 has over the 350 and the ISF is it comes in a fucking manual, boys. So like, shit, dude, like mine's an automatic, you know what I mean? That's just, just keeping it a buck with y'all, but you can buy one of these in a manual. They're getting harder to find, but dude, look into it. If you want a fucking manual IS fucking, second gen, then dude, get that shit, dude, all day long. I'm heading to my buddies right now in Austin, and then we'll be heading up there to Dallas, so that'll be cool, dude. That'll be cool. My buddy up there in Austin has an is300. Nice one, too. I'll try to take some fucking footage of that, put that shit over real quick. But, yeah, dude. And then when I go to Dallas, his buddy's buddy has another is300, and it's making like 800 to the wheels on fucking a drag setup, dude. Like, insane, bro. Big old fat single turbo, dude. Like, fuck, dude, that bitch go, you know what I'm saying? That bitch, fuck, dude. That bitch fucks, I bet. So yeah, dude, we're heading up there to Austin. Still got the sticky dash, you know what I'm saying? Door panels are falling apart. Shit, bro, what else is there to say? Need I say more? Fuck. Bumping country. Like I said, I was bumping some Hank earlier, but some Johnny Paycheck, dude. Fucking hell yeah, dude. We're vibing. Now we're starting to head into Austin a little bit more. I think we're probably in like Buda right now. Oh. Also, my rotors are fucked right now, dude. My rotors are complete shit. But it is only 5:20 a.m. on fucking 4th of July. So it's like the people that are on the road right now are some real motherfuckers, dude. I don't think anyone's really going to fucking, I don't know, work or school. Some people are. My buddy just texted me this morning saying he was going to work, but you know what I'm saying? Like, there's not that many fuckers on the road right now. So that's pretty cool. A lot of slowpokes in Texas. A lot of fast-ass motherfuckers that will ride your ass, and that's just, you know, woohoo! We in Austin, boys. We are now officially in Austin. Look at that. Damn, so gorgeous, bro. Fucking love Austin, but yeah, dude. If you've yet to drive in Texas, dude, just don't. Man, I love Austin, dude. Like, I'll never live here because it's starting to turn into California real fucking fast, dude. Like, the equality over here is fucking gay as fuck, dude. But look at these buildings, dude. Fuck. It's awesome, dude. But fuck, what was I just saying? Nah, it doesn't matter. It's all good, y'all. But yeah, dude. Okay. Shit rules. Yeah, dude. Hey, if you want to start making these fucking videos, dude, like, highly recommend it. If you go on YouTube and look up, like, I don't know, 3 a.m. POV drive, you'll see all these videos are from, like, 2 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago. Like, nobody's really doing these videos anymore like they used to. So, I mean, like, this would be the best time to post them. And, like, me having a camera on my head, being in a Lexus, bro, I ain't nothing special, dude. I'm not any better than any of y'all, you know what I'm saying? Like, I am just a common folk that's unemployed and just happens to have a camera. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm nothing special, y'all. Like, any of y'all can do this. If you got a fucking inner monologue, a couple bucks to spare for a camera, and, you know, a car that you want to show off, even if it's like a Subaru or something, fucking, dude, film, dude. You know what I'm saying? Be you. Because I've been getting a lot of comments about that. Like, I feel like what people are looking for in these POV drives is just authenticity. You know what I mean? Like with my car right now, it's fucked. I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you, dude. I have like really cheap mufflers that are starting to fall apart now that I paid way too much for. I got all these lights on my dash. I got the sticky dash. I got, you know, a fucking crack on my windshield. Like, dude, it's fucked, bro. Like, there's so much more. Like, my passenger door doesn't work, but you got to appreciate what you have. You know what I mean? Because God can take this shit away from you at any moment, dude. You never know. Dude, this guy's speed matching a fucking semi-truck, dude. Why is this guy speed matching a semi-truck, dude? So I heard this conspiracy recently that there's sleeper agents on the road that make traffic slower, and I'm guessing that's what this fucker is right here, dude. He's a sleeper agent that's making everything slower, so fuck this guy. Dude, literally speed matching a fucking truck, dude. You stupid or something? Must be. It's all good, though. It's all good. If you're driving in Texas, especially Austin, especially Houston, especially Dallas, dude, there are so many dipshits like that on the road, dude. Like, you would think they're getting paid to make you slow down, bro. It is fucking awful. Oh, something funny. About a year ago or so, the video on my channel that's done the best so far has about, I don't know, dude, fucking, has like, I don't know, like 5,000 views on it, right? Anyways, something funny about that video is all of my lights on my dash were on, and the reason my check engine light was on and all of the other ones were on, it was all because of a fucking gas cap, dude. A fucking gas cap. Like, kinda wild, dude. Fucking gas cap, dude. Crazy as fuck, dude. Who would have thought? Who would have thought a gas cap? I don't know, like, it makes sense. That's good that there's a check engine light for that. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know, dude. That's probably the funniest thing I've gotten a check engine light for so far. Gas cap. But hey, shit's important. Don't get popped with a lot of whatever the fuck that just said. That said something funny. Yeah, dude, it's 5:30 a.m. We already passed all the fucking cool looking buildings in Austin. Like I said, I'm heading to Dallas, so if I film something there, I'll put it in this video for sure. And then I'll be like, I'll probably put it in like right now.
For real though. For real.
It's a Cosmo.
Fuck, dude. You don't see these often.
And if nothing just got added to the video, then shit, dude. I mean, it's the way she goes, you know what I'm saying? Maybe I didn't film anything. My buddy there has I want to say it's a BRZ, but it's a beautiful yellow BRZ. My buddy here's an IS300, so they want me to take some roller shots when I get up over there, so that'll be cool. The one biggest takeaway of this channel so far is just like, I don't know, dude. Fucking cars rule, you know what I mean? It does not matter what you're driving at the end of the day. If you love it, you love it, and it's yours, so who gives a fuck? You know what I'm saying? Like, genuinely, who gives a fuck? If you love driving that car, you keep driving that car, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just the way she goes. Love this car, dude. This car rules. Everything about this car rules, dude. But, yeah, dude. That's been it for me, dude. I think I'm gonna end the video. So, dude, it's been real. Y'all have a good one. Peace.